no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is number 24 of our 365-day daily devotionals. We have been doing the Jesus Calling devotional. That is by Sarah Young. You can find that at Walmart, Amazon, Hobby Lobby, just about anywhere they sell books, they've got this devotional. Anyways, it has been a great time. I wasn't sure how it would go over on the channel, and it's actually done very, very well. We've got several people that come back and watch the videos every single day. And then also, you know, we're leaving prayer requests in the comment sections, testifying in the comment section. It's just been a great time. Like, we are straight up having some church, okay? Anyways, if you have missed any of those videos previous to this one, I will have those linked in the description box. And if you're wondering why I'm doing a daily devotional and not my DIYs, you have missed a lot. So I will have those videos to get you caught back up in the description box as well. All right, guys, let's jump in. Okay, guys, number 24. Show you all the verses. I like to show the verses. That way, if you want to take a screenshot maybe, or possibly write these down, you could look and go with it, do this with us with your Bible maybe, or, you know, something like that. Or even just have those verses to look back on, you know, later in the day. Okay. My peace is the treasure of treasures, the pearl of great price. It is an exquisitely costly gift for both the giver and the receiver. I purchased this peace with my blood. You received this gift by trusting me in the midst of life's storms. If you have the world's peace, everything going your way, you don't seek my fathomable peace. Thank me when things do not go your way, because spiritual blessings come wrapped in trials. Spiritual blessings come wrapped in trials. That is so true. Adverse circumstances are normal in a fallen world. Expect them each day. Expect them each day. Rejoice in the face of hardship, for I have overcome the world. All right, so the verses. Who, when we had found one pearl of great price, went and sold all that he had bought. Let me do that one over again. Who, when he had found one pearl of great price, went and sold all that he had and bought it. Matthew 13:46. Consider it pure joy, my brothers, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith develops perseverance. The testing of your faith develops perseverance. Yeah, it's good. Okay, I have said these things to you, that in me you may have peace. In the world you will have tribulation, but take heed, I have overcome the world. John 16:33. That is such a good verse. I have said these things to you, that in me you may have peace. In the world you will have tribulation. So true. But take heart, I have overcome the world. That's literally God right there telling you, doesn't matter what the world throws at you. It doesn't matter. God's got you, no matter what. If you sit and dwell on the bad days and oh, poor me and oh my gosh, I mean, I could have done that. A tornado literally ripped my entire house apart and took everything I ever had. Everything. It's gone. I could be angry. I could be sad. I could be poor, pitiful me, but I'm not. Because I know that God's got bigger and better plans for me. And I trust that. I've got confidence in that. I stand on that daily. right, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.